Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to fix Instagram delete notification. To fix delete Instagram notification, you should first check your phone's notification settings for Instagram. Then you could disable the battery optimization if you've enabled and do not disturb mode or focus mode. And finally, you could clear your app cache. So open the Instagram app first of all, log in, and then you want to tap on the menu bar. That means go to the home profile section, tap on the menu bar, and here you want to go to settings and privacy. After which you want to go ahead and locate notification. So you have to ensure all desired notification categories are enabled. So you just need to make sure to toggle the button, and that is how you could also fix. In another way, or if you are still unable to fix, then you could also try disabling focus mode or do not disturb if you have enabled it so as well. And likewise, other than that, you could also try clearing your app cache. So go to your settings, open up your app section, and then locate Instagram. Click on storage and cache, click on clear cache, and this is also going to help you fix Instagram delete notification. So that is how you could fix Instagram delete notification. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.